All right, let's take a look at the actual carpet itself. All right, first of all, the design and the shape is beautiful. Now, non-slip, that means it has a cover, so it won't move too much. Now this is it's washable, so if you guys get any stains, grease, or anything, you can always wash it. Now this makes great look for living room, dining room, pretty much anywhere. Miss Stain is investigating our new carpet. All right, not even 5 minutes into the carpet, and we already have a guest here. I'm not worried about it because it's easy to actually vacuum it and sweep it, and our hair is easy to come out of here. We just get up an actual special brush we have, clean it out with static, and we're ready to go. So if you have pets like I do, perfect carpet for any kind of occasion. Now here's some more guests coming here. They want to investigate their new carpet. So I'm not worried about getting it stained or dirty because, like I said, it's washable, pet friendly, cat friendly, dog friendly. So hope you guys enjoy this video.